2024 INFINITI QX80. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, wood grain trim. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.